What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. In today's video I'll be doing my fantasy knife challenge video build thing. I'm gonna be building 2 knives. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll figure it out as I go. What I do know is I'm gonna be making 2 billets to form 2 different kinds of knives, but they'll be paired together somehow. That's the thought so far. So for now, let's start building our billets. Alright guys, here I have my 2 billets. One billet's going to consist of mild steel with copper, an ADCRV2 core, 2 more layers of copper, and another layer of mild steel. That's billet number 1. Billet number 2 is going to consist of mild steel with 2 pieces of nickel silver. I've never worked with nickel silver before. Hopefully this welds properly. If not, I run out of nickel silver. Again, a piece of ADCRV2 for the core steel. 2 more pieces of nickel silver, and our outside clad steel, which is going to be mild steel. Alright guys, so here we have the 2 billets. This is our silver one and this is our copper one. They're going to get different designs. They're going to be similar as in similar size, but they will be getting different designs. But first I have to grind off all this outside weld, make sure the copper is sitting in the correct place, and likewise with this as well. Alright guys, so here I have roughed out the design I want on each knife. One is going to be more of a wavy pattern, while the other one is going to be straighter with some sharp edges, some notches in it. Alright guys, fortunately the belts I ordered from Red Label Bracelets got here yesterday and I need them today, so perfect. I'll be using a 36 grip belt, a ceramic, to be able to do all my waves and all my outlines on here, as well as rip this off. I decided I'm not gonna extend it because since it's copper, it's very easy for it to just wanna peel away. So instead of doing that, we're just gonna weld some extra to it to be able to get enough tang. Alright guys, so we got the two knives here. They're hand sanded up to 220 just to get some of that out of the way before I harden it, because once I harden it, it's going to be a pain to get all those big scratches out and whatnot. So, time to heat treat. Alright guys, so we are out of the temper. These things are looking great. Just check out that color. So now time to hand sand them again and get them ready for their etching process. Alright guys, so the pieces are hand sanded. Alright, so now we're going to work on the guard. This is the design I have come up with. I'm going to be making it out of this mild steel, and it doesn't look much like anything yet, but once I'm done, you're gonna see I'm gonna be doing a lot of curving and twisting on this. Well, maybe not twisting, but curving to give it the ideal shape that I want. Let's cut it up. Alright, so I have both my guards ready. They're been fitted one to each of the knives. So now I'm gonna forge them and bend them and do what I gotta do. And with that, guys, our guards are almost done. Still have to clean them up on the wire wheel and gun blue them. But that's where we're going to stop there for now. All right, so now let's talk about handles. I have some Paduke here and I have some maple. That's what we're going to be using to make our handles. One handle will be Paduke and the other one will be maple. All right, guys, so we have all our pieces together. These guys are pretty much done. These guys, I'm gonna gun blue them, and these need etching. But before we continue, let's take a moment to give a thanks to the challenge sponsors, Maritime Knife Supply, where you can get all your knife making needs. High Koa, where you get very beautiful koa wood that comes from Hawaii. It's a very beautiful wood with tons of movement. You should really check it out. And Mosa US, where you can get mosaic pins, and they also do custom mosaic pins in case you want something special made. You can get it made there. Thank you to our sponsors. The link to their website will be in the description down below. And while you're in the description down below, be sure to check out the other channels that are doing this challenge as well. Go watch their videos and be sure to go to the link in the description under survey and vote for which channel video you like the best. Hopefully it's mine. Hopefully my build is the best, but there's a lot of heavy hitters in there. So be sure to check them all out. There's tons of cool builds. And if you're new to the channel, take a moment to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I like making these kinds of cool builds, and I have plenty more on my channel if you want to check them out. I'd greatly appreciate it. And let's get back to finishing this build. Alright guys, while the knives darken up in the coffee, I'm gonna finish off the guards. They have a rough finish to them, that's how I want them. And I'm gonna first clean them up with some acetone, and then I'm gonna gun blue them. Alright guys, so I learned my lesson from the last one, and I taped up anything that can get dirty because I definitely made a mess. Alright guys, so the knives are done. They're drying. I'll have pictures of them at the very end of the video for you guys to check out. Don't forget, in the description down below are the sponsors, and as well, there's links to all the other channels that are participating. And while you're down there, check if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you very much guys. I greatly appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.